Are you looking for the best ACCA coaching in Chennai? edZeb is India's premier institute for accounting and finance courses. Our faculties have collective experience of more than 75 years and have trained more than 10,000 students. We have expert faculties for ACCA who will not just teach you but handhold you till the success of your ACCA journey. We provide you flexible learning modules, either it can be offline or live online or pre-recorded. So you can learn anywhere, anyway, anytime. We use our KICN teaching methodology that helps you prepare for the corporate world even before you step into a company. We have a special placement assistance program wherein, with support of our 250 plus recruiters, 20,000 plus strong alumni network, we are able to achieve 90% successful placement rate. Many of our students work at top roles in Big Fours and other MNCs. edZeb is also an approved ACCA learning partner that adds more value if you enroll for ACCA with edZeb. So what makes edZeb stand out? The major difference that makes edZeb stand out is our transparent approach. Before enrolling you for our ACCA program, we do a detailed counseling session with you and your parents to assess your fitment for the program. You will not find this anywhere else in the education industry these days. So we recommend you to book a one-on-one counseling session by calling us or directly filling out an inquiry form on our website www.edzeb.com.